Hi, welcome to Apart View video tutorials. This video tutorial is on how to change a door seal on a washing machine. For safety purposes, please make sure the appliance is disconnected from the electricity. All work should be done by a qualified engineer. Right, we're using a washing machine here which we can remove the front panel. Now we're just removing the retaining clip which holds this door seal to the chassis. Peeling back the door seal. Now we'll remove the soap drawer, remembering to press the button which releases the soap drawer. Remember, when taking the screws out of the washing machine, to keep them in the order that you took them out. These screws around the soap drawer are made of stainless steel, so they will not rust. They are different to the rest of the machine. Removing the timer knob. You will have to jiggle the on-off button to remove the panel. Now remembering to mark up the wiring if you need to remove any. There's two retaining clips here that hold the panel in place on the right hand side and the 4 screws on the other side. I'm marking down the wiring on a piece of paper and sticking them to the wires. Three screws on the top to remove this panel and 3 screws on the bottom. Followed by 2 screws which hold the door lock in place. Every washing machine will vary. Fixing a door boot or a door gasket to a fixed chassis washing machine is a very hard job. I don't recommend it unless you have some experience of DIY. Right, there we go, the panel, last screw coming out now. And the panel is removed. Now you can see the internal clip which holds the door seal onto the drum. Some are sockets, there are others with just a sliding clip. This one is a screw clip which adjusts to tighten it up onto the actual drum itself. And you can see the hole in the door seal here. I'll show you more closely in a minute. Just unscrewing the clip here. Remember, all the parts that you see in these videos you are able to buy from our website. And if the part isn't listed, please contact us and we will get it listed for you. That's the retaining clip. These can sometimes rust in older machines. Peel the seal off and you can see the hole here now. So the next job we need to do is clean the surface up of the drum to remove any lime scale or grease and dry it off after, ready to apply the new door seal. Remember, when fitting the new door seal there are usually drip holes at the bottom of the seal which line up to the drum so water does not collect within the drum area of the seal. Remember, this must be lined up correctly. And just here I'm showing you, I'll move the video camera for you. And this is where the water drains through from the door seal back into the drum. Make sure these are lined up. Okay, now we'll put the band on. I've loosened the band to its maximum for ease of fitting. The band itself fits in a groove once the door seal is fitted, and the seal itself fits over the rim of the drum. Remember, when tightening, check occasionally around the sides to make sure that the clip is actually going in place correctly. Okay, now we'll replace the front panel. Remembering when you put the panel on, not to trap any wires which might be hanging from the door interlock or any other parts of the machine. Okay, the panel is now on, and we're going to put the lip of the door seal now over the lip of the front chassis panel. Again, a fidgety job. But easily changeable. Remember, you can get all your door seals from Apart For You. We hope you'll shop with us. That's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. Remembering, once you've put the seal back on, check it. Now we're going to attach the band that goes round the front. On some machines they're held on with a spring. This one is held on with a wire band and a clasp, which is located in the top left hand corner, which has a location plug. Once I've got the band on, we've just got to do up the clasp. This one is a push fit clasp which has to be viced together. I usually use a pair of mole grips or plumber's grips. As you can hear, the locking mechanism clipping. Now replacing the front panel. This is where you'll find it useful to have your wires labelled up, as they need to go back on the same terminals as they came off. Again, the on-off button you have to slightly play with to get these hot point panels on. This video normally applies to a lot of the hot point Creeder, Jackson, English Electric. Remembering that the screws that go back in now are the stainless steel ones around the soap drawer. You can always check this, you'll find a magnet. Now the timer knob has a keyway in it, so it must be pushed on in the correct location. Putting the soap drawer in. And there you go. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to shop at Apart For You, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.